In this section, we're going to talk about preparing the tool for termination and the actual termination process. First thing you want to do, make sure you have the proper cord and cradle selected. In this case, since we're doing LC single mode, I want to make sure that I've selected the black LC cradle, and it says LC at 2 of the corners. I also want to make sure I've got the cord with the yellow jacket for single mode, and I'll look at the part number where it says 1.25 for LC. Next thing I'm going to do is take off the tether dust cap and make sure the alignment sleeve is in good shape. I do this by spinning off the adapter, doing a cursory inspection to make sure it's not cracked or broken. This one looks good. If it was indeed broken, you'd want to just grab another replacement sleeve out of the little baggie that comes with the tool. So it's good, so I'm going to put the adapter back on. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean the end faces. I'm going to take my can of cleaning solution, the straw in there. I'm going to take my box of cleaning wipes and select the first lane. Do just a little bit of solution at the end there. I want to take the LC end, remove the dust cap. I'm going to do 2 wet to dry. Then I want to remove the straw from the can of solution. Do a gentle pump to fill up this well a little bit. Get the cleaning stick in there. Then I'm going to go inside the adapter, make sure I get it into the alignment sleeve, touch the end face, do 5 full rotations to clean the end face. Should be in good shape now. I'm going to take the cradle and install it on the tool itself. The cradles are held on by magnets that automatically align it to the tool. I want to align it so that the 2 uprights are on the left side so that I'll be inserting the fiber from the right. Next I'm going to lock in the adapter. There's 2 little holes on either side that match up with stubs on the uprights. Snap into place. I want to make sure it pivots freely. I'm going to bring the cord around to the end of the tool and plug it into the port there. Next, I want to make sure that the settings on the tool match what I intend to do. So I'm going to power up. And I can see here that the form factor is SC and it's blue for multi-mode. Since I want to do single mode, LC, I want to move that box up to 3 dots for the menus. Click. Scroll down to connector type. Select. You can see here my settings are highlighted in red. The default setting will be LC single mode. In this case, that's what I want to go back to. So I'm going to scroll up to LC, select, single mode, select. I want to leave it right for insertion of the fiber from the right side. I want to save my settings. I'll go back to the main screen. You can see the form factor has changed and it's now yellow to indicate single mode. So I'm going to take my connector, remove the dust cap, straw back in my cleaning solution, select a new lane, don't reuse the last one. I want to do 2 pulls, wet to dry, and the connector is ready to go. The screen tells me to load connector with the next arrow highlighted, so I'm going to go ahead and insert the connector fiber end first, make sure that it moves freely with the spring. So now I'm going to lock this into the cradle. There will be a slightly audible click. Connector is ready to go, so I'm going to press the next button to advance to the next step. The tool does a brief background test. That tells me to insert fiber. I'm going to take my field fiber, make sure I get it in the insertion tube. Do not get it between the tube and the backbone or it won't go into the connector all the way and has a tendency to damage the end face. So I'm going to advance it. The tool tells me to cam and test because field fiber and the stub fiber inside the connector are properly mated. If you had made your buffer mark on the field fiber itself, it should be at the back of the backbone. I'm going to cam towards me and test. I've got a calculated insertion loss value and I'm ready to go to the next connector, or I could redo that if I wanted to try to get a better result. It's important to note that I'm camming towards me with right-handed orientation. If this was set up for left-handed orientation, I would cam away from me.